My name is Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we're going to take a look at the 2020 350 SLX. As you can see, the seat back here gives you a great area, the transom, for lounging. Nice seat. When you are running, this folds up and gets out of your way. This seat also slides back in here to give you a little more room. Notice you have twin white 400 Mercury Verados with joystick piloting. We ordered this boat with the full teak flooring, the dune interior, which gives you the light gray. On the starboard side, we have the grill and built-in fridge. This boat is great for entertaining. You can see all the lounge room. We have it set up right now with the sunpad lounge fill-in. The cockpit area, fiberglass hardtop with opening, let a little sun in, a nice double helm seat and double passenger seat as well. Joystick control, twin Simrad glass dash, fusion stereo, Simrad VHF, trim tabs. On the port side, the 350 has the little cabin area tucked away in here. Notice we have the TV, air, and heat. And on the starboard side, have the nice head, vacuum flush head, pump out, and holding tank. Neat thing about the 350 SLX, the bow area. You'll see on the port side here, nice seat area. You can do the exact same thing over here where this converts. You got a nice lounge area. Two teak tables underneath these. You can pop up, windlass or push button anchor. You also see you have a spotlight up here, this remote, polished stainless steel anchor. This boat is also equipped with the full isinglass enclosure for year-round boating. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100. Thanks for taking a look.